Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial on how to turn a black and white image into a colored photo. I got this off a tutorial off of YouTube. I forget the user's name, so I apologize. But anyway, so here's a few examples. My Al Capone when I kind of rushed, but yeah, this is like a field turned into a nice little colored image. The famous one with the soldiers, and we're gonna try to recreate this one today. So. Alright, so first we get our image, and you're going to go into mode and change it from the RGB, which is like the default one, into the CMYK color. It's going to prompt you, do you want to? Say OK. Make a duplicate of it. If you don't know the shortcuts, I'm not really going to go through all the shortcuts, but for Mac I believe it's Command J. But anyway, so you're going to use a lasso tool or quick selection tool or whatever one you want to use to select, and we're going to choose the water first. Hold down Command, hold down Shift, and select some more of this water. I'm rushing right now, but of course if you're doing this, you want to take your time with it. Alright, I'm going to refine edges so I can get all those nice details. Bump this up to about 15. Okay. Got too much of the selection in there, but that's alright. Anyway, with that selected, we're going to go into this button here, create new fill or adjustment layer, and we're going to make a curves adjustment layer. We're going to change the cyan, we're going to bump this up a little bit. Don't know how blue you want your water to be. And we're going to go to yellows and turn this down so you can get real exaggerate. I like to exaggerate a lot and then dial it back a little bit. Alright. And since these are on adjustment layers, you can always go back and adjust them. So that's the water right there. Do the same thing for the sky. So with this tool still selected, I'm going to select the sky now. Same thing. With this selection made, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to this create new fill or adjustment layer, create another curves. So now it made the adjustment layer for the sky. And for the dock, I did this before. I can't quite remember the exact steps I took. I think I added a, before I added curves, I adjusted the hue saturation, if I'm not mistaken. It varies on what order you do things, what your source material is, so, you know, this is just one example. So this is our adjustment layer for our hue, but we want one for our curves as well. That looks alright. It's not my best, but time that we did this, merge layers. So really, if you're doing this, take your time with it. You know, there's parts that I want to get some little details, like I missed that part, the water over there, and the building and all that, the light. But just so you have a better example, let's do it side by side. So we're going to adjust the canvas size. There we go, we have our side by side black and white image turned into a colored image by using adjustment layers and curves and saturation. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I don't know if I'll have time to answer all of them, but if not, I can direct you to some other tutorials that have a lot more explanation going on here, especially about masking and things of that nature. Anyway, subscribe, like, and check out more of my videos.